Hello students. So according to the yesterday session, we can see the how to write a code and how to simplify a basic math 2 into the code. So today I will give you some questions and you can practice those questions. So I can explain only the pen paper, only handwritten notes. Okay. So you can convert into the code. Okay. So the question is related to the yesterday session. So you can easily to write a code. So don't worry if you facing lots of issue to first time you write a code. Okay. So first thing is you can write something like first question is multiply the value of 3. It mean to say is there anything value like 2. Okay. So our value is 2. So 2 into 3. Okay. So after that, so 2 is to 3 is 6. Okay. After that, we add 7 and subtract from 10. So 6 plus 7 is 13 minus 10. So our output will be 3. So your output will be 3. Okay. You can check your output according to this. You can write the code. I'm just only to explain a question how to write a code. You just take and write some where condition like I just give you example like where a equal to 2 it mean to say a value and after that a multiplication ठीक है because our first process is to multiplication so a into 3 why I am a into 3 because our a value is 2 okay so your lots of question indicate to a variable value okay so you can focus this now our value where now I add value. So where add equals to multiply. It means to say now our value is stored in the variable multiple and after that adding 7. Okay. So now I final value is getting into add. So where subtract equals to add minus 10. And now you can print that value console.log sub. So this is your final answer. You got the output 3. Okay. So yesterday we explained about the square. So you can try this. So how to write a square? It's 2 symbol into 2 times. It mean to say it's according to the math, it's 2 raised to the power 2. And inside the code, how to write a power code? You don't use this symbol, okay? You don't use this symbol inside the code. This is a symbol. It's working in a code, but it other way, okay? So if you find a value of a square of a like 2 raised to the power 4 or 2 raised to the power 6, you just write into 2 into 6 or 2 into 4, okay? Now we can check other question. The find the product of 1, 2, 3. It means to say your value store in where a equal to 1. Next your value is uh, 2. Now your third value is 3. Now you can find the product. It means to say you find the multiplication of product. Okay. So you just need to write product. Okay. You just need to write product and just A into B into C because your value is already initialized to the A, B and C. You can write directly like 1 into 2 into 3. Okay. And after that you can print that value. Okay. You just try it. I know starting of the coding it's very difficult. Okay. So now third one is double all and sum. It mean to say you find the product but inside of this question you can find like 1 into 2 plus, because our question is double all and sum, 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3. Okay, so you can find the product like 1 plus 4 plus 3 3 is a 9. Okay, 3 2 is a 6, sorry. 2 2 is a 4 and 3 2 is a 6. Because you can double all na, only, not a power, especially only into this value. So 4 to 6, 10 plus 1, 11. Okay, so now we can explain other question like double 2 and triple 1 and sum. It mean to say double 2 come, it mean to say double 2, 1 into 2, 2 into 2, and triple 1 means 3 into 3. And now you can sum of that value like 1 into 2 is 2. Okay, sorry, 1. If you into 1 to 2 times 1 into 1, if now you get one value, no? So 1 plus 2, 2 is a 4 plus 3, 3 is a 9. So now you got sum is the 40, your output. You can write the code of that questions now. You can practice this little code. Okay. After that, you can write a bigger code of a JavaScript. Okay. Print any name. It mean to say, yesterday I give you example like hello world. Okay. So how to print that? You can print just write console, and inside the inverted comma you can write anything you want to that name. Okay. So now final question is cube of a cube of a number. It means to say our number is 2. So you want that cube. So how to write 2 into 2 into 3. So now you get the output of 8. So now you find the value of 2 cube. Okay. So number of a cube. Okay. So our last question is square and sum. It means to say we just square 1 plus 2 square. How to square it? How to write it? Into 2. Okay. I'm just first I explain to in a mathematic way, and after that I can explain I will explain you in a code way. Okay. So in a mathematic you have 1 square, 2 square plus 3 square. Your answer is 1 plus 4 plus 9. It means to say your answer is 14. Now you want to write that question into the code. So how to write it? 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2, because this is the way to write a power of, okay, in a code, plus 3 into 2. So 1 plus 2 raised to the power 2, 4 plus 3 raised to the power 2, it's 9. So your output will be 40. Is remember that a very biggest situation is you need to write anything inside the console dot log. Is anything you want to print that value in a JavaScript? No? You just need to write console.log. Without console.log, you didn't print any value. You need to print value in a JavaScript. You need to write console.log. Okay. So when your approach is going this way, and after that you can write the console.log to get your final output. Okay. So enjoy your day and happy learning. Bye bye.